What the parrot says is what it has been taught. Words, repeated often, become ingrained, so the brain is trained not to think so much, but rather behave, say words at a certain time, in a certain way. And we do the same thing with children. Always be kind. Always be good. Don't lose your temper. Be respectful of your elders, and on, handed down for generations, the very definition of dogma, replayed. Parental advice isn't always right, it's just copied, pasted, not a lesson wasted if it can be handed down. But not so much changes either when the teacher is reciting from the wrong lesson sheet.